Hello and welcome to my channel, Saving with Kate. If you're new here, welcome. Please let me know down in the comments so I could say hi to you. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to one of my videos. If this video is helpful at all to you, or if you've seen multiple of my videos, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of them. And also give this video a big thumbs up. We are at CVS today. We have a pretty good spend 30, get a $10 extra care buck deal. Now, I follow another couponer called Kayla Coupons, and I saw this on her channel, so shout out to her. She posted on her video that P&G Goodeveryday, the website, also offers digital coupons. So I went into my account and I found the same coupons she had used, which is $5 off the big Tide Pods, and there's a $5 off the big Downy. Now this can only be used at certain stores, and CVS is one of them, so I'm going to try it out today and see how it goes, so be sure you stay tuned so you could see how it went. With all that being said, let's go in and get those deals.
Okay, so we're going to grab everything for the spend 30, get a $10 extra care buck. We're going to grab this Revlon Color Stay eyeliner for $9.29. I feel like these were only like $8.79 last week, so they definitely went up in price. We have a $5 off of Revlon Cosmetics CRT, and we have a $3 digital, making this $1.29. Next, we're going to grab this Tide Pod for $13.49. I don't have any digitals in my CVS app, so I'm going to use that $5 digital coupon from the P&G Goodeveryday site on this product. Now I'm going to grab this large Downy for $13.49. I have no digitals in my CVS app, so I'm going to use the $5 digital from the P&G Goodeveryday website. So the total of everything before coupons is $36.27, which is pretty high over the $30 threshold. However, I figured it'd be okay with the amount of coupons we're using. So we should be able to use the $5 on the Tide, the $5 on the Downy, the $5 Revlon CRT, and the $3 digital, lowering our out-of-pocket cost to $18.27. We'll earn that $10 extra care buck, making our net cost $8.27. Now I'm going to do the spend $10, get a $4 extra care buck on Neutrogena products. I'm going to grab one of these stubborn acne patches for $10.49. We have a $3 digital coupon, making our out-of-pocket cost $7.49. Then we will get that $4 extra care buck, making our out-of-pocket cost $3.49. So now we're going to do the buy two, get a $5 extra care buck on soft soap or Irish Spring. If you have soft soap, I would do that. It's a lot cheaper. However, my store is out, so I'm going to just go ahead and do the Irish Spring since this is what my brother uses, and I'll just give it to him. So we're going to pick up two of the Irish Spring. They are $7.29 each, totaling $14.58. We have a $5 off of two digital, which will lower our out-of-pocket cost to $9.58. We'll earn a $5 extra care buck, making the total $4.58 for two, or $2.29 each. So the next deal I'm going to do to finish up my spend scenario is going to be on the Aussie. Now, the cheapest product that almost everybody's been able to get is the $4.99. I can't remember what it's called exactly. I think it's a leave-in conditioner. However, my store is sold out, so I had to kind of improvise. So I grabbed one of the shampoos for $6.29. Then I grabbed a cheaper product for $5.29. That one will be 40% off, which will lower the out-of-pocket cost to $3.17. So the total for both products will be $9.46. We'll earn a $4 extra care buck, making this $5.46 for two, or $2.73 each. I did it this way because I needed to get just over $70. If you don't need to do that, I would buy two of the cheapest products you could find to make this as low as possible. So this is everything I'm going to grab today. I do have a spend 70, get $7 off CRT I'm going to use with this. I will go over everything at the kitchen table at the end of the video. However, I will let you know before I head to Walgreens how this went with the digital coupons from the P&G Goodeveryday site.
Okay, so we're back in the car and I'm looking at my receipt. So overall it went okay. So I'll show you. So what we did is I clicked on a link that I got sent to me with my phone number, and it asked me to choose the store, which I did, and they ran it as like a gift card. And so on your receipt it shows up like this. Now it didn't take off the full $5 off of each of them, which for the Tide makes sense, because if you look up on my receipt when you subtract the main price from the quote-unquote coupons, it equals the same amount that was taken off. So, okay, that makes sense. The Downy is off by a little bit. It took off more than what the difference is here. So, I mean, it's still better than nothing. It still gave me almost $7 in coupons that I did not have. So, I still count that as a win. I'm gonna try next time to maybe not use as many extra care bucks, because we know up here, the savings is mostly extra care bucks, even though they're not actual like coupons, it's store rewards. So we'll see what happens. I'll probably try it again. I don't know how often they're gonna start doing this, but I do think it's exciting that we're gonna get digital coupons, especially high value ones. So we'll definitely see how that goes in the future. Like I said, I'm gonna try to use less extra care bucks and see if it gives me the full amount. So now I'm gonna head over to Walgreens and see what deals we can put together there.
Okay, so we're going to do the buy 4, get a $5 register reward deal at Walgreens. So we're going to grab this Gain Flings for $5.49. We have a $1 digital attaching to this. Then I'm going to grab one of these Gain Liquids for $5.49, and we have a $1 digital for this. Now I'm going to grab 2 of these Gain Fireworks. I have a $2 digital for this and a $1 digital. So the total for all 4 products will be $21.96. We have $5 in digitals, which will lower out-of-pocket cost to $16.96. We'll earn that $5 register reward, making our total $11.96 for 4, or $2.99 each. Now I'm going to do the deal for the buy 2 Crest or Oral-B, get a $4 register reward. I'm going to grab one of these toothbrushes for $5. I have a $2 digital for this. Now I'm going to grab one of these Crest toothpastes for $5, and I have a separate $2 digital for this. So the total for both products will be $10. We have $4 worth in digitals, lowering our out-of-pocket cost to $6. We'll get the $4 register reward, making our net cost $2 for both, or $1 each. Now we're going to grab 2 of these Gillette Foamies. They are $3.79 each. However, it's buy 1, get 1 50% off. And when you buy 2, you get a $4 register reward. So the total for both products is $5.68, I'm sorry. Then we have a 3 off of 2 digital, making our out-of-pocket cost $2.68. We'll earn that $4 register reward, making this a $1.32 moneymaker. The last item I'm going to grab is this Cottonelle for $4.99. We have a $2 digital, making our out-of-pocket cost $2.99. So this is everything I'm going to get today. I do have a spend $40, get $10 Walgreens cash digital booster, and I finally got a paper booster, which is spend $40, get $7. That will stack. We will go ahead, check out, and then we will head home and go over the receipts and see how everything went. Okay, so we are back home. We're not taking everything to the kitchen table because I don't want to haul everything back downstairs to my basement. So we're going to just do it all down here. So we'll start with our Walgreens transaction, which was the Gain, the Cottonelle, the Gillette, and the Crest and Oral-B. So everything went really well. All my digitals came off. So I paid $28.62. Since I hadn't shopped at Walgreens for a while, I had no register rewards to roll. So that's what I paid out of pocket. I got $17 back in Walgreens cash, and then I got my register rewards, my $5, $4, and $4, making this a $1.38 moneymaker. Now for CVS, everything, like I said, went pretty well. I did notice that I did make a mistake. I had a $3 off of the Tide Pods. I thought I had used that, but apparently I did not. So I don't know if that's what caused those other coupons to not work correctly, which I'm okay with. I don't want to double dip coupons because that's how digital coupons get taken away. So that might be why it all got lowered, and I'm okay with that. So the total for everything before digitals and whatnot was $70.80. I used the spend $70, get $7 off CRT, all my digitals, and then the $2.62 and the $4.22 from the P&G Goodeveryday rebate site. Lowered it all down to $37.96. I earned a $10 extra care buck for the Tide, Downy, and Revlon, a $4 extra care buck for the Neutrogena, a $5 for the
Irish Spring and a $4 for the Aussie, lowering my total out of pocket to $14.96. That's not too bad, especially with those huge products of the Tide and the Downy. So if this video was helpful at all to you, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.